Hello and welcome to the Green Workbench. For this short video, I'm making pork jerky. You know how I had pigs if you've watched my previous videos. And so I'm using some of the meat from that. I'm using some shoulder roast. It's not the greatest cut to use because it is pretty fatty. So first of all, I let it thaw about halfway and then cut it when it was still half frozen. That makes it a lot easier to cut. Cut it into about 1/4 inch strips. Tried to cut as much fat off as I could. Couldn't get all of it because of what it was. Then I put it in this bag. In the bag, I used what we lovingly refer to as Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, some pepper flakes, black pepper, brown sugar, and some hot sauce. Let it sit overnight. So now I am kind of drying it off so it will dehydrate better. These paper towels, and then I'm going to stick them in the dehydrator for about 4 to 6 hours. We'll see how long they take. Like I said, this isn't the best cut to use, but I had it in my freezer, so it was free. You don't want a lot of fat on it because it will go bad quicker the more fat it has. But honestly, I don't think this is going to last more than a couple days in our house anyway, so I'm not worried about it. Alright, I left it in the dehydrator for about 6 hours, and it is done. It's pretty tasty. So we'll try some different recipes and see how they go, but that's some quick pork jerky. Thanks for watching.